if you enter a place, you pass somebody and you smell. Hey God, please pick clothes that suit your body type. I did not say you should go and buy hair that is so affordable that it look like sponge. Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to today's video. Guys, this is one video that I have been wanting to do for quite some time, okay? For quite some time, but I have just been pushing it, but I'm here now, okay? I'm here now to give you the tea on 12 ways you can look expensive, okay? 12 ways you can look expensive in your 30s, even when you don't have money. You guys know how things are in Nigeria now. Money not there anywhere. There's no money anywhere, okay? There's no money, but there are ways you can put yourself together. You look good, you look okay, you look presentable, even when you don't really have the funds. Now, if this is a video that you'll be interested in watching, then of course, please keep on watching. Alright, so first things first. Number one way that you can look expensive and put together without having plenty of money is please wear or use quality yet affordable hair, okay? When it comes to hair, I did not say you should go and buy hair that is so affordable that it look like sponge. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is get quality hair that is not breaking the bank, okay? Now, for me, when it comes to looking expensive, the number one hairstyle I will always recommend is straight hair. So you see, straight hair like this, it will always look expensive no matter how much you spent on it. You can find straight hair of 15,000 naira. They have Remy hair, which is not human hair, but it is way more quality than synthetic hair. Do you get my point? You can find Remy hair wigs for about 15k. I know that 15k is really cheap considering how much hair costs in this country, but I feel like if you don't have that much money to spend, you can find brands that do good Remy wigs, okay? Good Remy wigs that you can actually even straighten with your hair straightener and you are good to go. Nobody will ever know. You straighten your Remy hair, your straight Remy hair, you come out looking pink. People are gonna think you have so much money when you really don't. Even if you want to do coily hair, make sure it is coily hair that will last, because I feel like when it comes to really affordable hair or cheap hair in quotes, when the hair is coily, it tends to tangle a lot more. That's why I would always say tilt a lot more towards straight hair, you know, bob wigs and straight hair, and you'll be good to go. Trust me guys, 15k, 20k, 25k, 30k can get you quality hair that you can manage for some time, and you would always look put together when you wear it, okay? Make sure you always brush your hair. Please brush your hair. Brush your hair. You cannot, even if you carry hair that is 1 million naira and you don't brush the hair, it will look cheap, okay? So make sure you always brush your hair. Make sure that you take your hair for revamping. If it needs to be revamped, you know, they would, you know, always recondition and redo what they do, re-straighten and redo all that. Salons do that. Try and give your wigs that kind of care, because no matter how much you spend on your wig, after some time they will tend to lose their shine and lose their bounce and all of that. Number two, please wear heels. Please wear high heels, I beg of you. Wear high heels, especially when the event demands that you wear high heels. Please wear high heels. As a woman, especially a woman in your 30s, when you wear high heels, you look put together. You have a certain kind of composure and posture when you're standing on heels. Now, for me, trust me, I've been climbing down from heels small. I've been climbing down from like really high heels, but even when I wear mules, they have to have a certain height of heel. That way, I look put together, I look composed, I look like, okay, you know, I look just really put together, and I feel like that is really important for a woman. Obviously, there are times when you cannot wear heels, obviously. I mean, you want to go to the gym, you can't wear heels. You want to run a few errands, maybe grocery store and all that, you can't wear heels. Even though me, I wear mules when I run errands, but do you, okay? But you see, especially when it demands that you wear heels, maybe you're going for a wedding, you're going for an event, you're going for a store opening, you're going for lunch with your friends. When the event demands it, wear high heels, please. When you wear high heels, you just look a lot more put together and you look expensive even when you don't have so much money in the bank, all right? And while you are wearing your high heels, please clean your shoes. Please clean your shoes, I beg of you. Don't gonna be wearing dirty shoes up and down. Maybe you've worn your shoes for the past couple of weeks and they have like clearly visible marks of, you know, dust and sand and dirt, and you just keep wearing it. Because clean your shoes. Clean your shoes, because no matter how expensive your shoe is, if it's dirty, it will look cheap. So please clean your shoes while you're at it, okay? The next thing would be accessorize your outfits well. I cannot emphasize this enough. If you want to look expensive, even though you don't really have that much money to spend, accessorize your outfits well. Wear earrings. I feel like this is even me telling myself this, because there are times I will go out and not go wear earrings. Please wear earrings, wear a bracelet, wear a wristwatch. And again, these don't have to be expensive items. You can find affordable things on Jumia, on ASOS, on Shein. The list is endless. You can find affordable jewelry on this site. It doesn't have to be big top designer brands, no, okay? When it comes to earrings and bracelets, wear mostly golds or silvers. Don't wear gold earring, silver necklace, or silver earring, gold necklace. Make sure that your accessories match, okay? If you're wearing gold earrings, please wear a gold necklace. If you're wearing silver earrings, please wear a silver necklace and a silver bracelet. Make sure that your accessories match. That way you look a lot more put together and a lot more, you know, expensive. If there's sun outside, please wear sunglasses. Wear sunglasses. I feel like when it comes to fashion, sunglasses are that accessory that can take your look from 0 to 100 real quick. You can even go out without makeup and cover your face in a big pair of sunglasses and you would look expensive. So make sure you wear sunglasses, especially when there is sun outside. I'm not saying you should go and wear it inside a building where there is no sun, or you go for a wedding, you now cover your eye with sunglasses. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is wear sunglasses, especially if there's sun outside. You will just look really chic. Trust me, I can tell you that from experience. You will look really chic. I cannot even count the number of sunglasses I have in my car. Like my under armrest, I have cases and cases of sunglasses in there, and I know why, because it just takes my look to 100 real quick, and it will take your look to 100 real quick as well. One website you can find affordable yet very expensive looking sunglasses is Shein. I buy from them a lot. You can find them from $5, between $5 and $10, okay, and they are bomb. Most of my sunnies that you see me wearing are from Shein and they look expensive. Also with accessories, please carry a handbag. This one I learned from my mom. I'll be going out like this, I'll just carry my wallet and my phone. My mom will be like, where are you going to? And I'm going out with your wallet and your phone. Don't you have a handbag? Carry a handbag, carry a handbag. So I just got used to carrying a handbag everywhere I go. I learned that one from my mom, and again, it makes you look very put together. It makes you look expensive. Just completes your entire outfit from head to toe. Makes you look like a boss babe. Have those times when you carry your structured handbags and have those times when you carry your mini handbags, but always carry a bag. Trust me, always carry a bag. Number four, very important point. Dress how you want to be addressed. Young lady, you are in your 30s, you are not a child, you are not experimenting with fashion, you are a full-grown mature woman in your 30s. Please dress exactly how you want to be addressed. Be decent when you dress. Don't go and open your breast everywhere for everybody to see. You are 30-something-year-old, for God's sake. I'm not saying that you should not show cleavage. Show cleavage, but show cleavage minimally. Don't go and show cleavage and your whole breast is like this. Please be decent. Your 30s are not that time where you don't care what people think about how you dress. Auntie, it's like you don't understand that you're 30-something years old now. You don't understand, but cover your body, okay? Cover your body, be decent, dress how you want to be addressed. You can still be sexy without showing too much. You can show leg and you don't have to show breast. You can show small breast and don't show leg. It's just all about balance, all right? Just be decent. Especially in the kind of society that we live in here in Nigeria, people just address you the way you are dressed. If you dress properly, people would respect you. If you dress shabbily, people would disrespect you. It's just how it works here. So dress exactly how you want to be addressed. Number 5, wear monochrome colors. This point is equally for me as well, because you guys know that I love my colors. I can wear like a floral dress that has like 7 different colors and I'll still look bomb in my opinion, okay? But I feel like you know, you can still wear your colors minimally. So you can wear all green, you can wear all red, you can wear all blue, all pink, and still look chic. You can wear a pink shirt, a pair of blue jeans, pink high heels, and maybe like a black bag. Maybe have your colors in like 2 or 3 different accessories that you're wearing. Maybe have a particular color in 3 different parts of your outfit, and you still look bomb. For me, I love my colors. You guys can see I'm wearing like a freaking green and yellow Ankara blazer. I love my colors, but I feel like when it comes to colors, I know how to do them maturely, okay? I don't wear purple top, pink trouser, red shoe, green bag. No, I don't do that. I love colors, but I don't do it like that, okay? So there has to be a way you can, you know, just wear your colors in a more mature yet stylish way. That way you look really expensive, you look put together. If you don't really like colors, then you can tilt a lot more towards neutral colors like blacks, whites, browns. Those ones will always make you look very expensive and very well put together. Number 6, and a very important point, please pick clothes that suit your body type. Hey God. Please pick clothes that suit your body type. If you have a big midsection, just like some of us that have given birth, if you have a big midsection, please try and wear clothes that do not overemphasize your belly and all of that, so that you don't look frumpy when you go out, so that you look put together and you look a lot more. You get what I mean? Even if you want to wear fitted, like for me to be honest, I don't wear fitted clothes. You guys know that. For the most part, I hardly wear fitted clothes. If I must wear fitted clothes, I will wrap my stomach inside very well so that I can look put together, I can look, you know, composed. You get my point? I can look expensive, I can look like I have plenty money in the bank. I'm not going to wear a bodycon dress without an undergarment. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to leave my house wearing a bodycon with my whole stomach hanging outside. I'm not going to do it, and so should you. If you have a pear shape, learn how to dress your body according to the way your shape is. If you have a rectangular shape, just learn. See, the internet is filled with all of these things. Learn how to just dress your body type in the best way possible. I am petite, so I tend not to wear clothes that will swallow me or clothes that will make me look smaller than I actually am. I'm already tiny as it is. I'm already short enough, okay? So I try to wear clothes that will make me look taller, make me look like, okay, when I enter into a room, they know I have arrived, okay? So learn to dress your body type. Pick your clothes according to your body type. All right. Number 7, try and incorporate silk and satin into your wardrobe. I have actually started doing this. I do have a couple of silk/satin shirts now in my wardrobe, and I feel like anytime I wear silk or satin, I look and feel like I have money. Like, there's something about wearing silk or satin. So I'm incorporating that into my wardrobe now. I have 1 or 2 silk shirts, and I think I'm going to buy 1 or 2 silk dresses, because I feel like those just make you look very expensive and make you look like, see, this money, it's not my money, but I have money. I have money. It's not my own, but I have it. That's how it makes me look. That's how it makes me feel. So yeah, if you can, try and incorporate silk/satin outfits into your wardrobe. Again, it doesn't have to be expensive. You can buy most of these things on Shein. The ones I even have are even from Shein or ASOS. You can buy from there and not spend so much money. And while you are buying silk and satin, please, number 8, iron your clothes. Iron your clothes. You see me like this. The light has been super epileptic here in Abuja. Like, we've barely had power supply for some time now in Abuja. I cannot go out without ironing my clothes. If an outfit I want to wear is rumpled, I will not wear it. I will find something in my wardrobe that is not rumpled to wear. No matter how much I want to wear that outfit, I cannot. I know fit. Iron your clothes. Your clothes will look a lot more expensive when you iron them, and they will look really cheap if they are all rumpled, okay? So please iron your clothes before you go out. Number 9, do your makeup well. Please do your makeup well. I learned how to do my makeup on YouTube. I didn't go to any makeup school to learn how to do makeup. Nobody taught me how to do makeup. I learned everything about makeup here on YouTube, and I feel like so can you. You may not be able to do all the nitty-gritty, all the major steps when it comes to makeup, but at least the basics, the simple thing like drawing your brows, wearing eyeliner, wearing lipstick, putting on some blush, and you are good to go. At least your skin work should pop. Learn how to apply foundation and powder. At least if your skin work is popping and you draw your brows and put lip gloss, you are okay. you are okay. All right, so learn how to do your skin prep. Just, you know, learn how to wear your foundation and your powder, learn how to draw your brows properly and wear a nice lipstick, and you are good to go. You don't have to start learning how to do eyeshadow, highlighting and all that. You don't need all of that. The basics and you are good to go, and you would always look put together and look expensive because your face is set. All right, number 10, do your nails. Do your nails, especially if you bite your nails like me. Yes, I'm a chronic nail biter. If you bite your nails like me, please do your nails. Cover your sins. Cover your sins, okay? Don't go out with your chopped up nails. Even if you have like nice natural nails, you don't bite your nails, your natural nails are looking on fleek, please paint them, make them look really nice. Even if you don't wear nail polish, just make sure that your nails are well manicured, they are not dirty and all of that. Just to make sure that your nails are looking cute, because I feel like nails are the one thing in a woman that, you know, attracts attention. All right, so always make sure that your nails are looking okay. When you go out, you do a couple of things with your hands every now and again, so make sure that your nails are always looking put together. If you bite your nails like me, please go and fix your nails. Thank you very much. Number 11, after you have done all these things, you're looking okay, you're looking good physically, then you enter a place, you pass somebody and they are smelling. All of these things I've told you is all a waste. If you enter a place, you pass somebody and you smell, it's not a good thing. So please make sure you are smelling good. Invest in perfumes. Invest in perfumes. They don't have to be expensive. You can find good perfumes between 10k and 20k. One of the major fragrances I am loving right now is Goddess by Beguile by Oma. Maybe I will leave a clip of it. You guys would know that perfume by now. I did an ad for them. That perfume is only 20k. It's only 20k. And even if you don't have 20,000 naira, at least you have 10,000 naira to buy perfume. Or even if you don't have money to buy perfume, you have money to buy body spray, body splash, body something, deodorant. Please don't leave your house without spraying something. Don't leave your house without spraying deodorant in your underarms. Hey, that's the worst. Don't leave your house without spraying deodorant or body spray if you cannot afford to buy perfume. Okay, just make sure that you are smelling okay, you are smelling good, so that when you do like this, you don't want to run away from your own self. Okay, so make sure that you are always smelling good. Your lotions, what you use to take your bath, your soap, your cream, everything, your perfume, make sure that you are smelling great. And then last but not least, number 12, carry yourself well. Hey, I cannot overemphasize this enough. Carry yourself well. You are a woman. You are a woman in your 30s. Why are you dragging your leg? Why are you dragging? Why are you walking like your whole world has ended and dragging your feet on the ground? Why? Oh, why? Carry yourself well. When you enter a place, carry yourself with confidence. A confident woman is an attractive woman. When you dress well, smell good, and you carry yourself well, heads will turn. People will be asking, who is that? Who is this? Who is that? Do you get? So carry yourself well. Carry your shoulder up. I didn't say you should do that one, but just carry yourself well. Make sure that you are always feeling and looking put together, so that when you enter a place, heads will turn and you just make a statement. I feel like we as humans are super duper attracted to what we see. So imagine a woman who is dressed well, smells good, looks amazing, and is still carrying herself well on top. Wouldn't be. Anyway guys, that's all I have for you guys in today's video, and I hope that you learned a thing or two from this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below and I will do that. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.